Watch this. Generic could be anyone, could be any company, any tune, any context. Claude has no idea who I am right now. Now watch the same thing inside the Claude agent I built a few hours ago. Same prompt, 10-second look at difference. It knows who I am. It knows how I write. It knows my business. I set this up once, 2 hours, 3 weeks ago. That's what an AI agent actually is. And by end of this video, you will have one. An AI agent is not a product. It's not a plugin. It's not something you pay extra for. It is Claude with 3 things set up correctly. 1, a system prompt, the brief Claude read before every single conversation. 2, knowledge base, your documents, your voice, your business context. 3, prompt templates, 5 to 10 prompts you copy paste every week. That's it. Inside Claude, no API, no code, no extra tool. Let me show you how to build all 3. Now we are in project section. So let's go to project and then create new project here. I'm gonna give a name of this project, Jaunt Write, a content agent for the Jaunt. Here in the description, you can write it down. So this is not really crucial for now. We can leave it as blank as it is. All right, so now we created our project name. This is where the agent lives. Everything in this project has memory, context, continuity. The first thing you build is system prompt. The instruction Claude need to differ every single conversation. So let's go to the instruction and then we write down our instruction here. So we're telling Claude about our business here, and then the writing wise, client tune guides, output rules. So every single content we write down here what Claude should do and what should not do. Now we set it up our agent. Let's test it out. We're saying write a hook for video output, making money with Claude. Notice it doesn't sound generic. A short sentence, number in there, no corporate language. I did not ask for any of that. The system prompt did. Let's go back to agent. On the right side, if you notice, there is file where you upload your document here. So I'm uploading a knowledge base. Knowledge base is where you load documents. I have got one file here, one pager about this agent. Audience description, past performance, pricing if I ever pitch a sponsor. You can add as many as you want. SOP, brand guidelines, past proposal, anything. Let's test it out after we have this knowledge base. So I'm saying write a cool pitch email to marketing agency about AI training partnership. Without the knowledge base, that's a generic cold email. With it reference the channel, specifically the audience, the credibility. It sounds like it came from inside business. Same prompt, complete different output. That's not a better prompt. This is a better system. Last part, and this take 10 minutes. Write 5 to 10 prompts you use every single week. Put them somewhere you can copy paste. I have got here, let me show you one in action. Five seconds to send. I will have a clean summary in about 10 seconds. That's 20 minutes of note taking and formatting gone. 5 prompts used 3 times a week each. That is 15 tasks a week Claude handle. Let's talk about what this actually saves. An estimation 2 to 3 hours a day at $75 an hour. And if you run any kind of business, your time worth at least that. That's $225 a day. Across 5 days, over $1,000 a week in recovery time. 4 weeks, $4,500 a month. From a setup that costs you 2 hours once, the companies I train pay $5,000 to build this for them. You just built it yourself. In next video, I'm giving you 5 system prompts for 5 different business types: content creator, freelancer, sales team, consultant, e-commerce, copy paste ready, nothing to build from scratch. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you got any question about your specific setup, drop them in comment. I read every single comment. See you in next video.